Madam, it has been seen that many times in between is the breastfeeding. Women stop the breastfeeding to the child.
Okay.
So, do you recommend, or what is your advice, whether they should stop breastfeeding, whether they have some pains or something, they should
Yeah.
stop the breastfeeding, or the breastfeeding should be continued?
Yeah, whatever happens, breastfeeding should be continued unless until the baby is not alert. If the baby is not alert, if there is a problem with the baby,
Okay.
then you might need to have, you might want to stop the breastfeeding because the baby is not in an alert condition.
Mm-hmm.
The baby will not be able to take the feeding properly.
Okay.
But if, as far as mother is concerned, even if you have a breast infection or if you have a fever, if you have vomitings or loose motions or any problem with the mother is no way concerned with the baby, she can happily breastfeed the baby. WHO says that. Even if the mother is undergoing breast surgery, like for abscess, people usually come with abscess to us. People usually come with infection. They ask me whether, I'm having infection. If now I feed the baby, that infection might go to the baby also.
Yes.
I advise the same thing to them. Whatever happens, you can just continue with the breastfeeding to the baby. It will not cause any infection to the baby as far as your breast is clean and well maintained.
Okay.
Yeah. If there is a problem with the baby, if it is not alert or it is not able to feed properly, then definitely you should consult a lactation consultant whether I should stop the feeding or I can continue.
Okay. Do you think any herbal supplement or any kind of Ayurvedic medicines or any kind of things that will help to produce more milk?
Actually, there are no studies supporting herbal medications or any diets that could increase breast milk supply. As far as I know, water is the best thing that could increase breast milk supply.
Okay.
But there are many studies suggesting fenugreek seeds, moringa leaves might as well increase the breast milk supply. Okay. But there is nothing like, this diet is good, so that if you eat these more, then your breast milk will be increased. As far as you have taken adequate hydration, like water and more liquids, breast milk supply will be maintained adequately.
Okay. Many times baby don't take direct milk from the breast. So on that condition, direct pumping or using pump is the alternative way that you advise?
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. Okay. The pumps are a blessing to recent mothers now. Yeah, if they're not able to, the baby is not able to latch properly, as we already discussed, then they could be, to prevent engorgement of the breast, they could pump out all the breast milk from their breast. They can even store the breast milk. Okay. Yeah, they can store the breast milk and they can feed the babies. So it's a blessing to working mothers as well. They can just pump it and they can feed the milk and they can leave for work. Okay. Yeah. So
after pumping, how many times or how many hours they can store the milk?
Usually till 3 hours they can store the milk at 4 degrees centigrade and they can warm it up and feed the baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
4 degrees centigrade up to 3 hours.
Yeah, 3 to 4 hours is fine.
4 hours is fine. They will warm it up
and naturally, because it says 4 degrees centigrade, so they have to warm it up.
Warm it up in the gas that.
No, usually how they do is they'll feed this baby in BPA free bottles. They'll pump the milk with the help of manual or electric or battery operated pumps, and then they feed the baby with this milk. Usually after warming it up in hot water, they put this milk bottle in a hot water. In a hot water vessel or something like that. Okay. And they warm it up and usually feed the baby.
Yes.
And it helps the woman as well. It prevents this engorgement, this blocked ducts. Yes. Yeah.
If it will take 100 women, how many patients are suffering with mastitis?
Mastitis is a common problem. People suffering with mastitis. It can occur in many ways, It can be due to regular normal infection or it can be due to many other infections. Especially in India, it could be due to TB. Yeah, it could be due to many other reasons. Okay. Mastitis. It's not that only lactating women will suffer with mastitis. It is more common in them, but it is common in other women as well.
Ma'am, what is your final advice to the mothers who are suffering on breastfeeding and how they should continue?
Yeah, breastfeeding is definitely a period of struggle for a new mother. So, as I already said, they should know that they are not alone.
Okay.
And they should take help whenever needed. So there are lactation consultants now. There are professionals. They can deal with the latching and catching problems. They can deal with the mastitis problems as well. They know whom to refer at what time. So mother need not feel that, oh, this is a period of struggle, so I'm
Okay.
not able to do it. She is going to do better. Like
They should not feel
with
like
time.
us.
Yeah, it is a learning curve.
Yes.
So with time, she will feel better. She will do good.